Do you want to showcase your data in a hierarchical way, or do you want to use any visual and make sure that it gives the hierarchical dropping information? Or I could even ask in this way: are you confused in showing the date hierarchy using a visual in Power BI desktop? If yes, then what is the probable approach that we have to do in Power BI? Hi, I'm M. Asif Hussain from KnowHow Academy. What are we going to learn in this video? We are going to learn and understand how to use a drill down in Power BI. So by the end of this video, you could able to learn and understand how we have to use a drill down feature in Power BI desktop. So watch till the end. My dear viewers, here I have a data in my Power BI desktop. In this, let me go and first select a visual. So the visual that I am selecting is line and stacked column chart. In this line and stacked column chart, first let me go and choose the x-axis. So in this x-axis, I would like to choose order date, because as you can see here, in the order date, we have the information in a hierarchical way, such as year, quarter, month and day, following from the year till the day. Okay, so now coming to the column y-axis, in the y-axis, let me choose sales here. Okay, now as you can see that we are getting the year in the x-axis and sales in the y-axis. So let us go and do some small formatting here so that our visual values and visual looks little bit attractive and visible. So for this, let me go and do the formatting. In the x-axis, if I come here to the values, let me go and choose it to bold, and I'm increasing it to 12. I'm making sure that my color is black, and as well as in the x-axis, the title, which is year, not clearly visible. So I'm making it to bold, increasing it to 16. Okay, now it is beautiful. Now in the same way, I'll go with the y-axis, and in the values, I'll go with bold, I'll increase it to 12. Okay, I'll make it to black. And as the values are in millions, it is very difficult to understand. So let me go and shift it to thousands. Okay, I'm converting the units to thousands here. And as well as I'll come to the title, I'll choose the same as how we have done for the x-axis. I'll make it to 16. Now it is black. All right, now it is beautiful. In the same way, I would like to go and on the data labels as well. And as the data labels have come up here, these are not visible. Let me go and make it a little bit brighter. Okay, so I'll come to value, bold, increase it to 12, make the color black. Perfect. Okay, now as you can see, my dear viewers, we have a visual showing the data from 2016 to 2019, and we have sales in the y-axis. Now if you see here, there are some options that a visual is having it. As you can see this is a drill down in the sense, in the order date, first we have year. It will drill down to quarter. If I again click on this, it will drill down to month. If again I'll click on this, it will drill down to day. So now if you just look into it, if I click on drill down, I have just clicked on it. Now I would like to drill down to the year 2018 alone. I'll click on 2018. Then what's happening? Under 2018, for each quarter, how much sales we have got. Again for quarter 3, if I click on it, under quarter 3, for which month I have got. Again, if I click on September, on which particular days, how much sales we have got, that we are getting it here. If I want to go back, if I want to drill up, so I'll click on drill up, 1 step, 2 steps, main step. Okay, so in the 3 steps, we have got the visuals. Now in the same way, if I drill down to any another year, I'll click on 2017. So all the quarters under that. Again for each quarter, all the months under that. Again for each month, all the days under that. So as per the access order date, whatever might be the hierarchy, in that particular positions it will go and drill up and drill down. Okay, now my dear viewers, there is one more option that we have to consider. The option is that go to the next level in the hierarchy. So what's happening here? And we have another one, expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay, so if I click on this one, see this one, if I click on it, for every year, okay, I hope it is visible, in every year 1 2 3 4 quarters, 2017 1 2 3 4 quarters, 2018 quarter 1 quarter 2 3 4, 2019 quarter 1 2 3 4. So it is expanding at once for every particular year that we have. If I again drill down, it will again split into the months of every quarter. If I again click on this, it will again split for every day for each quarter and each month. Okay, so it's happening, expand everything at once. I will go back, I can call it as a drill up. Okay, I'll call it as drill up. I can off this one. So now as you can see that I'm back to my original position. So now what I'm trying to do is that in this particular page, I have only one visual. Let me consider few more visuals and let us see whether whenever I'm drilling down or the other visuals that I have in that page, are they getting affected with this one? So let's verify. So here I'm choosing a card chart. In this card chart, let me take my total sales. How much is my total sales? Okay, interesting. In the same way, another card chart. How much is my total profit? Okay, interesting. So I have two visuals here, the sum of profit and sum of sales. In the same way, if I would like to choose any other visual, okay, if I take a pie chart, all right, in this pie chart, if I choose the legend region, okay, and the profit, okay, so now I have got something here. Now what I'm going to do, let us see, let us cross verify. When I'm clicking on drill down, let's verify whether the other particular visuals are getting affected with this one or not. If I click on drill down and if I click on 2018, say this, every particular visual is getting affected. I mean, there is a connectivity between every visual that we have it in our particular page. Again for quarter 3, how much is the sales? Again for September month, how much is the sales? So you are able to see, you can able to see the change in every visual, right? So now if I go back, again the values are getting changed. Now it's in the normal position. Now let's consider you have some 6 visuals in a page. You would like to apply the drill down feature only to one visual, but it should not be affected with the other visuals. Okay, so other visuals should not be affected with the drill down feature that I'm using it to only one visual. So what we have to do for that, I'll come to the point called format, and under format let me select the selected visual and I will go and edit the interaction. When I click on edit interaction, we can see that there is an option called none. So if I enable this one, then if I do drill down, it will not get affected with the other visuals. So let me verify that. So what I'm trying to do here, I'll click on drill down. If I click on 2018, see this, though it got filtered, though it got drilled down, the values are not changing here. Again, if I click on quarter 3, the values are not changing. Again, if I click on September, the values are not changing. Am I right? So I'm editing some interactions to make sure that only the visual that I have selected, only on that particular visual I have to apply this feature called drill down. I mean, coming step by step in a hierarchical way. So in this way, you could go and have the drill down capability of, you can select the drill down feature to any of the visual, but make sure that the data that you have, that should have the hierarchical data. Okay, if I, for example, under the category, subcategory, under subcategory, product names, so under product names, product type, so something like this. So all this is a hierarchy. Only the date related information is hierarchy. If you are feeling it, that's wrong. Okay, Hierarchical data might be any data. It might be numerical data, it might be categorical data, it might be date related data. So whatever the data might be, if we are making sure that, okay, so this is the structure that I have to follow, and if I click on this drill down first option, then this have to come. According to that, we can even go and set it out. Okay, so my dear viewers, in this video we have seen how we have to use the drill down feature for a visual in Power BI Desktop. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate the tech world. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.